Hello student, in this class we're going to take a new chapter. The name of this chapter is A Trust with Destiny, and this is a essay and this is a part of a essay and written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is Jawaharlal Nehru? A brief introduction of Jawaharlal Nehru is that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad in 1889. He was educated at Harrow and Cambridge University. He was soon drawn into the vortex of Indian politics. That means after getting educated from the Cambridge University, he come to the Indian politics and he emerged as a leader of the country's youth. He was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi during the period in this period, and in 1947 he became the first prime minister of India and remained so almost 70 years till the death in 1964. He was a dreamer, an idealist, a humanist, an artist with words and not a mere politician. His writings and speeches merge with his life and his merge with the life of a nation. His elegant poetical prose is best captured in Letters from a Father to Daughters, his autobiography. This is the autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru, and The Discovery of India. This is also one of the famous book, Glimpse of World History, and his एक्स्ट्रॉम स्पीचेज जो इन्होंने स्पीचेस जो दी हैं वो भी जो शानदार स्पीचेस हैं. एक स्पीच किस पे थी? ए ट्रस्ट विद डेस्टिनी वॉज डिलीवर बाय पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ऑन द ईव ऑफ इंडियाज इंडिपेंडेंस इन 14 अगस्त 1947. In this speech, he remembers the past and suggests a way to build the future. He asked the nation to serve not only India but also the humanity. So there is nation in his speech with humanity. Long years ago, we made a trust with destiny. What is trust? Trust means a secret appointment of a secret promise, a secret meeting with destiny. And now the time comes when we shall remain our pledge. अब जो ये टाइम है आ गया आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस कि हमने जो प्लीज़ जो लिया था, एक वादा, एक प्रॉमिस किया था, उसको वापस से रिमीट करने का, पुनः प्रेजेंट करने का. और इन फुल मेजर बट एवरी सब्सिडेंटली एट द स्ट्रोक ऑफ द midnight hour when the world sleep, India will awake life and freedom. Now, in these lines, Jawaharlal Nehru talk about the India's awaken for life and freedom when all world is asleep. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history when we step out from the old to new, when an age ends and when the soul of nation long spread finds utterness. And this happens, this moments came when इन रेयरली इन हिस्ट्री, इस तरह का मोमेंट है जो हिस्ट्री में बहुत रेयर ही दिखता है. व्हेन वी स्टेप आउट फ्रॉम द ओल्ड टू न्यू, जब हम ओल्ड से न्यू की तरफ आगे बढ़ेंगे, एज की तरफ. एंड द सोल ऑफ नेशन लॉन्ग सप्रेस्ड, जो कि एक साउल थी नेशन की, लॉन्ग टाइम सप्रेस थी, अब उसको एक क्या अटरनेस मिलेगी, एक आवाज़ मिलेगी. इट इज़ फिटिंग दैट एट दिस सोलमन मोमेंट वी टेक द प्लेज ऑफ dedication to service of India and her people and to still large cause of humanity. And this will be happen with the India and his with her people and the humanity. At the dawn of history, India started on her unending quest, and trickless century are filled with her striving and the grandeur and of success and failures. देन दिस हिस्ट्री ऑफ टर्न, जो हिस्ट्री का जो प्रारंभ है, दान जो है, जो उगते हुए सूरज के लिए आता है वर्ड। इंडिया स्टार्टेड ऑन हर अनएंडिंग क्वेस्ट, नाउ इंडिया स्टार्टेड हिज क्वेस्ट, दिस क्वेस्ट इज अनएंडिंग एंड ट्रिकलनेस ऑफ सेंचुरी एंड फिल्ड हर स्ट्राइविंग, जो उसका संघर्ष है उसको बताया गया इसमें। ग्रैंडयर जो उसका वैभव और उसका जो सक्सेस और फेलियर्स हैं दोनों को इसमें शामिल किया गया है। थ्रू गुड एंड इल फॉर्चून अलाइक शी इज़ फॉर इंडिया हैज़ नेवर लॉस्ट साइट of the quest of forgotten the ideals which gave her strength. We and today a period of misfortune and India discovers herself again. Now India discover with herself again. The achievement we celebrate today is but a step of opening up the opportunity of greater truths and achievement of await us. And today we are step out for the opportunities and a great room for the achievements. Are we brave enough to wise enough to grasp this opportunity and accept the challenge of the future? Now Jawaharlal Nehru make a question for the nation and the people of nation that this is enough wise, this is enough wiseness of to grasp the opportunity and challenge of future.